So let's create a grade calculation based on score. So take a minute and do this for yourself. You can have A, B, C, D, and an F. So based on your grading system in your school, just try and create the grading system. So take a minute and try it before you look at my code. So let me select that. And down here, let's have a score. The score is, say the student has 65 to be precise, or let's make him a good student. Let him get an 85, guys. No one wants to fail. So if the score is greater or equal to 80, you remember that it was 80 or 90. I think it was 90. 90. And this is an A student. This is an A student. So let's have, it should be, the grade should be an A. Remember, there were grades, not just the score. And then what do we use? Elif. And what condition we check? The score should now be greater or equal to 80. What will happen is, if the score is greater or equal to 90, you'll get an A. But if it's greater or equal to 80, the score should be greater or equal to 80. The grade should be a what? A B. Let's go ahead and have another elif, and then the score should be greater. If you're greater or equal to 70, my guy, you've tried. You get a grade of, what grade do you get, guys? You get a C. And then we also have some D students here, guys, who are trying but not trying hard enough. So score is greater or equal to what? 60, guys. Their grade is usually a D. Plain D, my fellas. You're getting a D. And then finally, we'll have what? The else statement. So if neither of these is true, this guy must have scored an F, man. Get your F. And then what do you do after all that? After all that is executed, let's print grade this guy. So your grade is, so remember, the guy we gave him what? We gave him 85. So we expect the guy to score an A. So let's go ahead. There you go. So the guy should have B. Yeah, because it's not yet 90. It's not greater than 90. Let's give him an A. This is a good student, man. Let's give him an A. Let's try that. The grade is an A. So ensure you have done that grading system before you follow on into